In this video, I'll show you how to make money copy trading in pocket option. Also, what I will do is I will ask few of my subscribers who are copying my trades on a daily basis, and I'll ask them to put some comment. You can watch that comment in the comment section below, and let me show you the proof what happens if you copy my trade. As you can see here, today's trade, we are 100% profitable and $504 was profit. Now one important thing, I make only $200 per trade in each trade. Here you can see max trade is $200, minimum trade is $200. Okay, similarly in yesterday, and also I only make 3 trades in one day. I'll not make above that trade or below that 3 trades. Okay, I only make 3 trades per day. So in yesterday, here you can see this, there is 6 trade, but it is of 2 days trades. Okay, so 3 trades, 2 days trade. Okay, it is showing here for some reason, I don't know why, but it is showing here, and 100% of the trades were profitable, and $948 is our trading profit. And if I show you in all time, then our total trading profit is $16,780, and our profitable trades percentage is 68%. Okay, so now let me exactly show you how you can make money by copying trade, and especially my trades, because one thing I want to make you very clear here. Okay, if you copy these random people's trade, then what happens? Let me show you. I'll show you in this. So if you have copied this trade, as you can see here, my profitable trades percentage is 68%. Okay, and his profitable trade percentage is 58%, which is not bad. But the problem here is he makes $100 per trade, $1 per trade. He doesn't have the consistent amount of making trade like me, $200 in each time. Okay, so he makes maximum trade $100 and minimum trade $1. Now if you start to copy him, then what happens? If he makes 5 trade of $1 and he wins in all that 5 trade and make one loss of $100, then you will be in loss, but his profitable trade percent will increase because he have made 5 trades right at here and 1 trade was wrong. So this profitable percentage will increase, and if you just see this kind of percentage and start to copy these people, then you will of course be in loss. That's why to make money with copy trading, you need to get my UID to start copying my trades in your account automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option. So to do that, you just need to see a link, my telegram link, in the description of this YouTube video or in the first comment of this YouTube video, and just click on that telegram channel and join my free telegram channel and follow the instructions there, and you will be able to get my UID. So what does UID means is like this kind of, let me show you here. So this is the UID, this kind of number you will get. Okay, so once you get this kind of UID, then just copy that UID and log into your pocket option account, and then click on this social trading feature and click on here, and then click on search and paste that UID at here. Now you will see this kind of name. Okay, this is not my UID, I'm just showing you it as an example. Okay, so you will see this kind of name, just click on that name and then click on copy. Now if you are loving what you are watching right now, then please do like this video, it will help me a lot. Okay, so now once you see this kind of box, then there are 4 boxes where you need to do the work. I would suggest you to don't touch any of these 3 boxes, okay, while copying my trade. And remember one thing, I make $200 per trade. That means if you copy 1%, then that means $2 per trade. So if you want to copy $10 per trade, if I make $200 per trade and you want in your account, you make automatically $10 per trade, then just make it 5%, because 5% of $200 is $10. Okay, similarly if you want to make $20 per trade, make it 10%. So 10% of $200 is $20. Okay, in that way you can move this percentage up and down, and once you do this much, then you just click on confirm and you will start to automatically copy my trades, and in this way you can start to make money by copying trades in pocket option in real way. And I strongly suggest you to read the comment section below, where I will request my copy traders to put the comment, their real comment from their heart, so that you can understand what you are going to get in my copy trading service. This much for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.